Sometimes people just want a simple solution. They don't want the complex, and that's one of the reasons that most people they fail to act is it's too complex. They don't know what to do, or they say, "Ah, just why bother? It's too time consuming. It's going to be too complex." And that's what I do. I try to help businesses make things real simple. I like to get things done, and I like to help others get things done. I really thrive on that. And so that's pretty much what I do. I meet with businesses on a regular basis. I coach and counsel businesses and individuals. I always have that two-prong approach. People that know me know this, where it's like I help businesses achieve success and I help personalities and people achieve success. If you're struggling with a personal issue, be it depression, anxiety, or limitations where you're just not being your authentic self, I help people achieve that. I love that stuff. That's what I thrive on, but I also thrive on business. I help businesses succeed. That's the bottom line. I help businesses achieve higher levels of success, and I do it with a very fundamental, honest approach. I definitely keep it simple, but if it needs to get complex, I can definitely help with the complex matters. I'm working with a couple different businesses right now, global businesses where they have some global products that they're trying to develop, and they've been struggling with their agencies that they've been working with because they make it way too complex. I try to drill through that, just go right through that and get them what they need faster, better, cheaper, just to get it done. So it's like, if you want to get it done, then I'm definitely the right guy to talk to because I'm applying over 35 years, 35 plus years professional experience to get this stuff done. It's just what I love to do. So if you're looking to partner with somebody to help you get things done in your business, I'm absolutely positively the right person to talk to because even if it's something we don't connect on and I don't help you with your website or your infographic or your ebook or help you publishing books or whatever it is you need, I still have the privilege of talking to you and learning from you and then bouncing ideas back and forth because I believe that the whole world is sort of unified. We're all in this together. We all want to succeed. We all want to do better. We all want to achieve great things and help other people. So it's always a win-win for me. I love to help businesses. I love to help people. I kind of leave it at that. And then, by the grace of God, if something becomes even more intense and, becomes a project out of that, I'm grateful for that as well and appreciative of that. And that's what I love to do. I love to help you, your business, or your person thrive and become the better version of yourself.